So David, here we are at the LG Signature portion of the LG booth. 10 years ago, LG launched LG Signature, and it was remarkable global brand with amazing features. And you've seen some of those products out there, like the transparent OLED, the OLED television, and other ones. But we're bringing Signature even further. So we're introducing 3 new collections of Signature: Iconic, Tailored, and Seamless collection. So let me walk you through those. It all starts in the laundry room. So we've got a laundry room that looks so good.
I see the gold accents, it's really lovely.
Beautiful gold accents, stainless steel, all the features that you love, easy dispense. And this is a 29-inch platform, meaning we can get up to 5.8 cubic feet of laundry. In our Sidekick pedestal washer,
That's
nice. 6.8 cubic feet of laundry you can do at once out of this gorgeous unit. And of course, it's all AI, meaning that it understands the fabrics that it's washing, and it will tell that dryer using AI wash and dry. But we didn't stop at the laundry room. So let's go into the kitchen. Our LG 30-inch range still has those beautiful gold accents.
I love this
premium stainless steel, yeah. Listen, 4 burners, up to 23,000 BTU on this dual brass burner up here.
Nice.
And a touchscreen control that lets me run the whole thing really intuitively. When we open it up is where the real magic happens. In here, we've added LG AI Gourmet. So I can actually utilize the camera that's in there. I can watch my food from anywhere. So if I want to see those cookies bake, but I can also record it.
Really?
I can put time-lapse videos on my favorite social media platforms. But here's what I think I'm gonna love the most, David. When I put my food in there, let's say I put broccoli in there, it will come up on the screen and say, hey, I just recognize that you put broccoli in there.
Really?
Yeah. And then it'll say, I think you should cook it like this on this rack. It'll just do it for me. It'll recognize that it's broccoli and cook it. That's very amazing.
Beautiful.
Yep.
Beautiful.
I can also go in here with AI Gourmet and tell it what I want to cook. So let's say we're cooking your famous lasagna, right?
That's right.
It'll actually tell me what temperature and what rack to put that lasagna on. And with one button, it'll set it all for me, and I can just watch it from afar.
Love it.
AI browning, when you're baking croissants, they start to brown. LG ThinQ will text you and say, hey, your croissants are starting to brown, and pull it out right when it's at the right color for you.
I love it.
Like all LG Signature ovens, this is powered by dynamic ProBake, meaning faster cooking times, faster preheats, and more consistent temperature. This is an LG Signature best and only feature. ThinQ will actually connect it to our over-the-range microwave as well.
The range is connected to the microwave?
So as soon as I turn on the element, the light and the fan turn on to the levels that I've preset. Yeah, and the OTR looks pretty, but it's even cooler on the inside. We've added convection roast, convection bake, even sous vide inside of here. So it's not just a microwave anymore, it's a second oven that plugs into a regular outlet. We've added a 36-inch Pro range to the lineup of LG Signature.
I love it.
Look at how gorgeous this looks.
Yeah.
Massive 6.3 cubic foot capacity, incredibly easy to control right here. But really, look at all this space on top we have to make those meals. I'm super excited, and this gives an opportunity for designers to really update the kitchen with LG Signature.
Fit right in.
Yeah. You want to talk about gorgeous. I know this is strange. We don't normally talk about how gorgeous a dishwasher is, but here, come over here for just a second. So this is the LG Signature dishwasher. I mean, it looks great from the outside with that stainless steel and gold accents.
Yes, it does.
But watch when I open it. Look at that light. It includes 1-hour wash and dry, bottle wash right here, so an always-on glass zone that can handle bottles, stemware, but it's strong enough for even a casserole dish to go up there. A third rack, and all these are on glide rails. Here, just move the rack back and forth and feel how smoothly those go.
That is butter.
Yeah, even fully loaded.
That is butter.
Here, I'm gonna have you do me a favor, David. Let's close this up. So let's run a cycle for a second. Why don't you go ahead and hit the power key for me? Let's run a 1-hour cycle. Tap the 1 hour and tap start for me. Go ahead and close it up. Now this is incredibly quiet, just 39 decibels. So we wanna make sure that you can see how long you have left on that cycle. So this iconic collection doesn't end here. The most iconic part of this collection, David, is the refrigerator. And this is the heart of a lot of kitchens, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
But give me a hand, just open this side up for me real quick. Adding that panel LED that you saw in the dishwasher, right?
Nice.
Glass accents. So I've got a freezer, a full convert drawer, and a refrigerator, but check this out. We didn't stop there with LG Signature. We've got a precision chill drawer in here.
Really?
That drawer I can change the temperature on individually. So I have 4 zones that I can independently control the temperature of.
Nice.
I can have my freezer, I can have my wine chilling here. I've got this perfect for my meats, and then I've got my refrigerator right there.
Beautiful.
On the outside, LG mini craft ice from the dispenser.
The dispenser is giving me craft ice
Little
now?
mini craft ice,
Oh my
right?
gosh, I love it.
And checklist control, very easy to run my precision chill or my full converter
So I
right
can
off
set
that.
the drawers right here on the temperature.
Right there. So easy to use, looks fantastic. And I know you like mini craft ice, David, but check this out. We've introduced a large size craft ice in LG Signature.
Oh my gosh.
I know, craft ice.
Some after-work beverages right there.
Listen, the iconic collection is truly that. It's iconic. Gold accents, premium stainless steel, a look that's going to really stand out.
I love this.
Let me take you to the next zone and let's check out the tailored collection. So David, let's take a look at the LG Signature tailored collection. So as fashions in the kitchen change, LG Signature will tailor its look just for the trend. So right here, we're showing off our beautiful Essence White.
It was nice.
Yep, with rose gold trim. Now, you never know what's going to change next year. Maybe we'll put out new handles, but I want to show you a new color that we've debuted, majestic green. Take a look at that.
That is lovely.
Depending on how that light hits it, it has a little bit of a green tint and almost like a gorgeous matte black. Super elegant, still drawn together with those gold accents that we saw before. So something new in LG Signature tailored collection that's going to keep customers excited and coming back for more LG Signature every year. But wait till you see the seamless collection. Let's go take a look. We've talked about LG Signature Iconic Collection, and it looks fantastic in any kitchen, right?
Yeah.
And we've got the LG Tailored Collection, which allows you to really stand out.
Yeah.
But sometimes you want your appliances to blend in.
Yeah.
So the LG Signature Seamless Collection is all about built-in look or built-in product. So
It's beautiful.
it is. It is a combi oven that includes that same dynamic Pro Bake and camera. Heavy-duty glide racks in here as well. And of course, with the Turbo Cook oven, you've got a lot of options to cook just right. Check out this dishwasher. Just go ahead and tap on the front for me for just a second. The same feature set inside that we saw in the Iconic and in the Seamless collection.
Yes.
So 1 hour wash and dry, bottle wash, but all of that in this amazing platform that really looks seamless. In the Seamless collection, we're also showing off the induction because it really has that built-in look, even on a range like this. And it still connects with our LG Signature OTR. I do love the new design and interactivity here on our LG induction cooktops. One of my favorite pieces in the Seamless collection, though, is our brand new built-in depth refrigerator.
Gorgeous.
David, we've got counter depth max, we've got standard depth max. At KBIS 2026, we're introducing built-in depth. So look, these counters, they're 24 inches deep, right?
Mm-hmm.
Look at how this refrigerator just looks built in. This is a slide-in refrigerator. I didn't
Really?
build this in, yeah. So a 24-inch depth, 20 cubic foot capacity refrigerator with, look at that same beautiful LED panel in the back.
I love it.
Push close, soft closed doors, right?
Nice. Yes. Yes.
You've still got craft ice in the bottom, that large craft ice from before, but really we've just introduced an entire new category of refrigerator with built-in depth, a little taller than your normal refrigerator.
Yeah.
So the next kitchen you're designing, you'll just need to put a 36-inch wide, 72-inch high cutout, push that all in, and you've got that built-in look with LG Signature Seamless collection.
Beautiful.
We are going to go back to the laundry room to end our Seamless collection though, because we've got the WM9900. Now, these are already out there and people love this laundry. 5.8 cubic foot capacity, beautiful seamless controls.
It really is nice.
But at KBIS 2026, David, we're introducing something brand new. This is the WM9998 all-in-one unit. It's our seamless wash combo and the best combo we've ever made.
Nice.
It'll wash and dry a load of laundry in 89 minutes. And that 29-inch format lets you fit in 5.8 cubic foot of laundry. That is absolutely impressive. And finally, we're bringing LG Styler to LG Signature as well. So check this out.
Look at that.
We've added AI in here, which takes this a step further. It actually can recognize the type of clothes that's hanging in there and adjust the motions and amount of steam used. We've got the LG pants creaser in here to keep your trousers looking great all the time. Hang it up here to get out those tough wrinkles as well. I've shown you LG Signature. I've shown you around the LG booth. What do you think?
I love it. Just let me know where I need to swipe my card.
All right, well, let's go.